Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to open LG 2.1 a wireless soundbar system, model number SH3K, and it's 300 watt. I will open box, review and test. End of the video I will give you all the ideas and conclusion, how they work, if you're gonna use it, it's gonna work for you, like how is my room and how the audio gonna work. Because before this buy, even until I open, I have a couple confusion because it says wireless soundbar system. I was confused how I can connect two things with my Bluetooth system because I don't have any screen or any actual things I'm gonna connect wirelessly, wirely. So let's open the box and see what we're gonna get inside and how it's gonna work. Let's move on the box. You got a optical audio cable and AAA two batteries, remote control, mounting bracket if you wish to mount on a wall. Really nice. You got the woofer on side. You got sound bar. It's pretty heavy. That's all. Now we're gonna hook it up and test, see performance, and we'll explain how it works, if there's any good points and negative points. Woofer is really heavy. Okay, let's talk about a little bit of look. It have a nice finish. As you can see the speakers, those are like, they're gonna stay like that, they're gonna be exposed speaker. They made it like that, there's no cover or anything gonna go like that. If you have a table, you can leave it on the table and you can just hang on the wall, and there is only two connections. That's it. There's audio jack connection and fiber optical audio cable. It comes with it. Turn on. And now I'm going to press the function and go to Bluetooth, and let's pair it. Okay, here it shows on my LG SH3K V4. I'm going to connect it. Okay, it says connected. I'm going on YouTube and then just try to home theater sound or something I want to find.
Look good. My skin is like, what? My nails are like, yes, ma'am. And my face is like, hello, stranger.
This one says, okay friends, as we tested with the sound wires, it's worked pretty good. And this is my room. Like actually my plan is to put projector screen on the front and to put seating on the back. And I think according to my room is like about 20 by 12. It worked really good. The main purpose of my video, which one before I buy, I was trying to searching for stuff like actually the way it says wireless subwoofer, and my question was the one I was looking for, like how I can connect my sound bar and subwoofer both at the same time with my phone, because in my situation my sound bar and subwoofer gonna be set over here. There's no TV, nothing, and there's no any wire connection. So that's why I don't want to pull wire, or I don't want to go with that mess to run wire. So I tried search on YouTube. There's a lot of good videos about it, but I couldn't find how I can connect both together. Actually, after I test and go through, I just found when it says wireless subwoofer, that means this subwoofer is wireless with this one. You have to connect only the soundbar with Bluetooth, and the subwoofer is gonna be connected automatically with the soundbar. It's not like that you have a Bluetooth with the subwoofer, and this one you have to connect the wire with the wire, because I have asked a couple questions. They say okay, the soundbar you have to connect with your TV, where there's an optical cable and the audio jack. There's two. It's really dark, I can show, but like that's I just got answer. But I guess if somebody like me, he just want to use without any wire, you actually have to plug in the electric or receptacle. There's no exemption. You have to connect it because the system need a power, but you don't need any audio wire cable to connect it. If you have a TV but better sound, or you don't want to just connect with the Bluetooth or whatever, you can connect this soundbar to the TV, and your subwoofer will be working automatically wirelessly with your soundbar. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and share my video. If you want a more like video like that, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.